Hello students. In this video is the extension of the earlier video. Here we will discuss about different types of resources and its classification. As I have told you earlier, resources can be classified into various forms. First of all, on the basis of origin, resources can be of two types: biotic and abiotic. Biotic means living things like animals, plants, human beings, etc. Abiotic means non-living things, rivers, mountains, etc. On the basis of exhaustibility, resources can be classified into two forms: renewable and non-renewable. Renewable means which we can use again and again, like solar energy, wind energy. It does not end. On the basis of non-renewability, means once used cannot be reused. It takes millions of years to get it back, like fossils and minerals, etc. On the basis of ownership, resources can be of different types. Like individual, it might be your, mine, a particular person or a group of persons. That is called ownership. Plantation, garden, field, etc. On the basis of community, like park, community hall, these all are community-based resources. On the basis of national, which belongs to resources which belongs to a particular country, like river, water, etc. International, oceans, which do not belong to a particular country or person, it belongs to an international level. Resources can be also classified on the basis of status of development, how much it has been developed. Like the nature has given endowment of wind and solar energy here in Rajasthan, in our country. And if science is having that technology to convert it into energy, wind and that is sun, heat of sun rays, then developed resources. But if science do not have, that is undeveloped. But that means technology or science should be there, and which can transform those natural energy into a productible energy, that is called developed resources. Again, resources can be classified on the basis of stock. It comes under status of development. Stock means which we had, but we do not have any technology to convert it into a productive one. Like water. Water is a compound of hydrogen and H2O, hydrogen and oxygen. But we do not have any technology to separate it and make it into different products. So here, although we are having, science do not have any know-how to convert this water into hydrogen and oxygen separately. That is why it is called stock. We are having sufficient amount, but we do not have any technology to separate it into two different forms. Next is reserves. Reserves is the subset of stock. That means we are having too much of energy, which can be put into use with the help of existing technique, that is know-how. Wind energy. We are having sufficient amount of wind and sun rays in Rajasthan. We are having sufficient long places of forests, water, river in the form of river. At present, we are using river water in the form of hydroelectricity. But in every river we do not have. But we are having technology, we can use it. That is called reserve. Next topic is development of resources. Human being is the vital. Resources are very vital for the survival of human beings. But human beings are using it indiscriminately without thinking anything and destroying these resources. Destroying these resources. Human being should use it in a sustainable way, that is called sustainable economic development. That is, sustainable economic development means development should take place without damaging the environment, and development in the present should not compromise with the development or needs of the future development, future generation. We must use our resources at present in such a way that the coming generation of us should also take the benefit of it. They should also know what is coal. They should also know what is petrol, what is diesel. But people are using it indiscriminately. And resources, as I have told you earlier, it is not a free gift of nature. So, if we use it indiscriminately without any proper steps, planning, then a time it will finish, it will extinct. So, we should use resources in a sustainable way, that is called sustainable economic development. Thank you.